all your exes. They hit the highway from an exit. Yeah, they got the message by now. Brand new boyfriend right now.
Them curly look tight though. That's all me can say. Hey guys, welcome back. So my hair is freshly washed and these are the products that I used on it before I blow dried it. I'm just putting a diagonal part in the center of my head because I don't want it to be a center part or a side part. I actually want bangs, so that's why I'm parting it like this. So I'm just taking out a little piece. You don't want it to be too big or too small. And I'm putting away the rest of my hair. I'm using the Latter Body foaming mousse because this is what I see most people use, so I just decided to try it. And I'm putting 1 pump on the section. Now guys, I'm no pro at doing perm sets. This is actually my first time. So watch me while I struggle. As in, it's going to take a while for you to get the hang of it and to get used to the hand movements because I don't just wrap it around it, I actually wrap and twist so that it comes out tight and smooth. Just know that it took me a while to get the right rhythm. So don't feel anyway if it takes you long. Just be patient and keep trying until you get it. So I finally snapped it. I did something and that wasn't the best, so I did it over off camera. So yeah, I'm repeating the same steps and as you can see, I'm twisting and wrapping it around it. I hope you can look at it and see what I'm doing. So before I close it, I'm adding some more mousse to the ends because I want my ends to be really smooth. If your ends aren't smooth, then this hairstyle just won't look good. I'm still struggling, but I'm getting there. So I don't remember how long it took me to do my entire head, but by now, trust me, I got the hang of it and I was doing it with ease. As you can see, as I said before, I'm twisting and rolling, and then when I get to the ends, I add more mousse so that it can get very, very smooth, and then I just clip it down. So onto the last section finally. It's up to you if you want to sit under a hooded dryer or if you want to use a blow dryer or if you want to dry it overnight, but you want to ensure that your hair is fully dry. As long as it's fully dry, then you're fine. So I'm not sure if my hair is fully dried. I just blow dried it for 10 more minutes. So I'm going to start pulling out the perm rods now and see how it come out. Okay, it don't feel wet, but I'm still not confident whether all of them dry or not. It don't feel kinda, but any parts that are wet, I just go pull out the perm rods and then go back over it with the blow dryer. I'm not going to touch them or anything. So I don't have no special way of taking them down. I just try to be gentle. Them curly look tight though. That's all I can say. I probably can stretch them with a blow dryer because I'm not able. So I pull it out and I have some oil on my hands, but I think it dry, but I don't know. I'm going to go over it a little bit, for a short while with the blow dryer, for 5 minutes and cool setting. I still feel some wet spots, so I'm going to do that, dry and come back and separate it and show you guys what it's looking like. So I blow dried it on the cool setting and I kind of stretch out some of them. This is how long my hair is. And anyway, I'm going to start separating them now. And my friend, like, how do you know which direction to coil them in? Like, you just coil them in any direction you feel, or okay, it's not bad. So as you can see, whenever I separate them, I just coil it to keep it together and to prevent from looking too frizzy. So this is one half, and I'm going to finish the other side in front of my mirror because it's hard for me to sit right here and do my hair. So when I finish, I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. So this is what my hair is looking like now, basically like a crochet wig, but it's fine. It came out good, and I'll try again next time and see what other styles I can do with it. This hairstyle was inspired by JD Winter. She does a lot of perm rod sets, and I love them. So yeah, she inspired me. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Be sure to check out Dana's hairstyle video. Bye.
By now, brand new boyfriend right now.